Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Infinity of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2022 Infiniti Q60 Red Sport. Now, this is probably one of, if not the last, brand new Q60 Red Sport I will ever feature. And that is sad to say. For 2023, there is no more Q60. It's a shame, but I guess this is kind of going to be a tribute video to the Q60, and we could talk about why I still love this car, and I will continue to love this car. Majestic white over Monaco red, probably, if not one of my favorite specs. Maybe the black on red. So this one has the Proactive Pack. Now, that it gives you a direct adaptive steering, which is steer-by-wire. I will also go over why, the benefits I should say, of direct adaptive steer. Proactive Pack also gives you lane departure prevention, active lane control, blind spot intervention, adaptive front lighting, eco pedal and front pre-crash seatbelts. Majestic white is a premium paint, and you also have cargo pack for an as tested price $65,365. Oh man, I will say, definitely a gorgeous car. Oh, warm. Sunroof, Monaco red interior, Performance Series audio. All right, Red Sport gives you Sport Plus mode. All right, let's see. Rev your monitor. Now, direct adaptive steering. Steer by wire. There is a connection there in case the car loses power, but 9 times out of 10, there is no physical connection between the steering wheel and the tires. Yes, that that has been the subject of a lot of debate. And I'm not going to sit here and ignore or say that you can't tell the difference, because you can. But there's benefits to this system. And I'll go over those once we get on the highway. Alright, let's go through the benefits of direct adaptive steering. It is much more responsive than the normal system, because you can get normal steering, just don't get the Proactive Pack. And then your Q60 will have non-direct adaptive steer. It is much, especially in Sport Plus mode, it is much more responsive. Little movements will move the car. Another big benefit is this system helps to eliminate some of the non-essential feedback from the road, i.e. bumps and stuff like that. However, like random vibrations, this helps to eliminate. However, if it's crucial information for driving quickly, it leaves some information and feedback there. For example, in corners, you can feel when the front tires start to lose grip. So that feedback still exists, just not you're not overloaded with random feedback. I think there's going to be a question of if I had to buy a Q60, would it have direct adaptive steer? No, it just wouldn't. I can't get over steer by wire, and it's awful because it's a great system. However, all right, let's go through some other things here. Why is the Q60 going away? With raving reviews, well, I should actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna be honest here. The reviews weren't raving. Look at, Motor Trend, all the reviews are like, yeah, it's a good car, but there's nothing special about it. I think there's one aspect of that we're missing. There's nothing, it's not like a GT3 RS, where driving it, you're like, yes, this is a driver's car, this is that. You don't get that with this car. But that's not a complaint. There's nothing surprising about the car, but that's a good thing. You know what you're getting into. It does everything well. And that gives you a perfect platform for daily driving. It's so well-rounded. You got decent, okay room in the back seat. Not great. You got great power. Yeah, the transmission, okay, it's not a dual clutch. But what people are going at this and thinking it's a performance sports car. That's not what this car was designed to do. This is a grand touring car with a bit of spice. And that's how you have to approach this car. You can't go at it thinking it's going up against the M4. You cannot do that, or else you will be disappointed. This is going more up against an M440i, where, yeah, there's sporting intentions here, but it's not the reason the car was made. Yeah, the new Z shares this engine, but it's a different car. This car is somebody who wants a really fun daily driver, plenty of power, and a good amount of luxury. That's this car. You look at it in any other lens and you'll be disappointed, but you look at it that way, I'm sure you'll like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.